Hi guys, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of September 25th, 2018. As is always the case, Genesis and the Trade Navigator software is what provides these fancy charts we look at. And we're looking at a weekly bond market chart here, but let me just say, the Fed is going to raise interest rates this week, and we got the whole dog and pony show in Washington over the Kavanaugh nomination, so if you want to just pack it in, I understand for the week. If not, let's see what we got here. We have an incredible sell-off in bonds. The last 3 weeks have all been exhaustion bars, which is pretty doggone unusual, but also pretty doggone strong to the downside. For this week, we're really looking at this mid 139 range here. 139, it's kind of like just below 139.16. Somewhere in there down to the Keltner channel below 139. If that's not the support, then they're going all the way to test this low, and I have no real confidence that will hold if they get there. The resistance for the week is roughly 141, 708, right in here at the lower moving average. As you can see, for the last couple of weeks, they haven't even been able to get that high. That's how weak they are, and you'd got to expect they'd at least get that high at some point soon here. And I wouldn't be at all surprised if they go to the 141.30 area at least. This is not analysis, this is just observation. The last few times that the Fed has raised rates, there's been a little rally in the market afterwards. What is that, a buy the rumor, sell the fact? I don't know, but that's just what's happened. The Fed raises rates and the bond market goes up a little. Has been the case for, well, almost the entire year, I think. So that's something to keep an eye on, but basically we're looking at 139.15 or so and 141.07 as being potential areas to possibly do something. Stocks are not giving us as clear a signal at all. After new highs again, and rather strong new highs last week, we were kind of looking at the 29-27 area as being good support this week. Well, if they're holding it, they're not holding it cleanly. They've been a fair distance through there. The next target is down around 29.03 as potential support, and of course they haven't been anywhere near that low. I will say this low so far this week is possibly just going back to test this high they broke out from, so that might still be a positive sign. I would have rather seen them hold a little higher though. And we've got a target up here all the way at 29.58 as being the target for the week. And let me make sure that's clear, that is a target. I didn't call it resistance. I have no interest in selling them up there at all, but that's the target we'd kind of look for them to get to this week if they can get rocking and rolling. The reaction in the stock market to interest rates has not been as clear cut, and I guess an inside week wouldn't be that big of a shock with all else we got going on. But there should be some interest rate announcement in the afternoon on Wednesday, and it'll be very interesting to see if there's a reaction to that or if they're still nervous because of what's going on in Washington. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself